It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 8th of January, 2021. I'm Michael Groff. Before we get into anything today, just want to say happy birthday to my grandma Hazel. There she is, 100 years old today. And she's been through a lot in that century of living, including the Great Depression, World War II. She is also a COVID-19 survivor. So that is one of the sweetest but toughest ladies you'll ever meet. So happy birthday, Grandma. And as for the weather around here, well, not looking too bad for the short term. We've got dry conditions, temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages this weekend. We'll see a warming trend, though, setting in by the latter half of next week as high pressure builds in, and rain chances not likely anytime soon. We'll talk about it. But our other business of the day, of course, being that it is Friday. So it is Photo Friday, where we take a look at some of the photos and or videos that you guys have submitted. And first, we'll check these shots out from Tyler. He was on a little expedition out there over the Rockies and out into Minnesota over the Christmas holiday. And so there you can see some of those shots coming in of just flying over the country and some of the rain and snow and weather that he encountered out there. And then we have these various shots from Katrina. She sent me a whole bunch. So what we're going to do here is show you a few of these now. And then at the end of the video, we'll round out with a few more. So kind of a double dose of Photo Friday in this video here. So if you want to send in any submissions for Photo Friday, you can do so. groffshow@gmail.com. That's my email address. groffshow@gmail.com for Photo Friday. All right, as we check out the Almanac from yesterday, 71 degrees the afternoon high, 43 was the morning low. The normal high, 66, the normal low, 45. And there it is, that all-time record low back on this date in 1913 of 16 degrees. And that is one of those temperature records I believe will never be broken here in Phoenix. All right, outside now here just after 9 o'clock, we've got 48 degrees officially at Sky Harbor, dew points at 21, relative humidity 34%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Checking out the upper air look across the country, we've got a westerly flow here across the greater southwest, and there will be some high-level moisture that comes through here today. So an increase in high clouds as a storm system passes well to the north of us, and that's where the main storm track will remain for the foreseeable future. The watch warning map, we've got some dense fog advisories up across parts of Minnesota and some of the adjacent states, some winter weather action over parts of New Mexico and West Texas, and scattered about through the west, but overall, rather quiet. Speaking of quiet, the convective outlook, no organized severe weather. In fact, no thunderstorm areas here over the lower 48. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Friday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, nothing statewide, nothing region-wide. This dry weather pattern takes over and really will set up over much of the western United States with time. And we'll talk about it as we dive into modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06E run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Got a little short wave over the Pacific Northwest, and that's going to slide through the northern Great Basin and north of Arizona today. With a westerly flow here down at the surface, an increase in high clouds. We might even call it mostly cloudy by this afternoon. Still should see enough sun to have high temperatures climb into the upper 60s and low 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, overnight lows mid-30s to mid-40s, and then the weekend looking good. Saturday, sunny sky, highs upper 60s. Sunday, mid-60s with sunny sky. Monday, mid and upper 60s, mostly sunny. And the main storm track, as you can see, stays well to the north of us. Rain and snow for the Pacific Northwest and the northern interior west, but that's it. Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs each day, upper 60s to about 70. We could even sneak into the low 70s on Wednesday, but then Thursday, we're in the mid-70s as high pressure really starts to build in. And check it out, a week from today, this is Friday the 15th, a 585 ridge to the west. And look at that big sprawling ridge, a high amplitude pattern developing across the continental United States, a cold trough in the east. So we are dry and mild, high temperatures likely mid and upper 70s if that verifies. But let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 17th. And how about that? A trough now coming into the western states. But again, this is moving over land. It's not going to be moving over the Pacific waters or picking up significant moisture. So that's a fairly dry but cooler look for us. High temperatures probably falling back to or maybe even below average. And as we take a look at rainfall for the Phoenix area off of the European ensemble over the next couple of weeks, of the 51 members here, about a quarter of them are showing rainfall, but boy, it doesn't look all that significant. So the probability of us getting anything, not great, that's for sure. And temperatures off the national blend of models pretty close to average for this weekend, and then really warming up next week, highs getting well up into the 70s. Overnight lows still remain mostly in the 40s for at least a good portion of the metro. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Monday morning. Updates before that if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe out there. Have yourselves a great Friday, a wonderful weekend, and here's some more pictures from Photo Friday and, of course, your forecast.